Hi, I am Dr. Shrita Gupta. I am from Noida. I am a practicing oculoplastic surgeon, and I am here for a 15-day short-term fellowship course in facial aesthetics, Botox and dermal fillers. And this course, I would like to say that this course is very intense and very good. Dr. Devraj and Dr. Rinki Kapoor, they are very pro for teaching and they are telling us everything in details, and I would recommend this course to everybody. The clinic setup is great, and except the academic part, we are learning how to manage the clinic and the management skills and everything. So thanks to everybody, thanks to the management team. Thank you.